In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view shared links in ChatGPT. If you've ever shared a conversation and want to quickly review what you've made available, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find those links inside your account. Start by looking to the bottom left of the ChatGPT interface. This is where your account area lives. You'll see your profile icon there, along with details about your workspace and plan. Click your profile icon to open your account menu. This is the central place for personal settings, preferences, and privacy options, so it's the right starting point whenever you want to manage how your data is handled. From that menu, click Settings. A window will open that groups everything into clear categories. These options help you control how ChatGPT behaves for you, and more importantly for this task, how your information and shared items are organized. Inside Settings, click Data Controls. Think of data controls as your privacy and data hub. This section gathers tools related to what's stored, what can be exported, and which items you've deliberately shared. It's designed to make it simple to see and manage the things that go beyond your private chats. In Data Controls, look for the Shared Links section. This is specifically dedicated to links you've created to share conversations with others. It's useful for checking what's publicly accessible via a link and for keeping your shared content tidy over time. Next, click Manage. This opens the page where all your shared links are collected. Here you'll see the conversations you've shared, typically listed with titles or previews and dates. This view exists so you can quickly confirm what's out there, open a link if you need to review it, or simply keep track of content you've distributed. It's a good habit to periodically check this list, especially after sharing something for work, school, or collaboration, to ensure it still reflects what you want others to see. And that's it. By going to the bottom left, clicking your profile icon, opening Settings, selecting Data Controls, finding Shared Links, and choosing Manage, you can view all of your shared links in one place. This keeps your shared conversations organized and helps you stay confident about what's publicly available via a link. If you're using the web or desktop app, the flow is the same, and the labels are consistent, so you'll always know you're in the right place. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay on top of your shared content in ChatGPT.